Hey, welcome to the XXZU channel. Today I wanted to show you a new solution that I have for my tablet stand situation. I do not like leaving a tablet on a traditional music stand. For example, here is a foldable stand that I bought for my son a few years ago as he was playing trumpet. And there's nothing wrong with this stand. I think it's a Donner stand. You can find other similar plastic stands like that that fold up, and you can put a tablet on there, but I'm always a little scared of the inevitable situation where the stand gets bumped and the iPad or the Android tablet just falls off of the stand completely, whether that is a traditional music stand or a plastic music stand like that. So what I have used for years is this device. This is sold by Airturn and it currently sells under the name Tech Assist Stand. So if you go to airturn.com, this is an $89 solution. It is a heavy metal base that extends and turns into actually a microphone stand. And then they also have this thing, which used to be called the Monos mount, but now just comes as part of this together. And this is wide enough to hold my 12.9-inch iPad as well as my Android tablet. I'll show you this in a moment. By the way, that is my second, it used to be called the Go Stand, but that's my second Tech Assist. I used to have this one and I still have it, but something happened where this screw is stripped out and will no longer hold. And then also this whole piece doesn't stay in there any longer. So this one, I don't know why I still have it, but that's my original one. And then I used to have this mic stand that I used instead. But the problem I have is that I will direct and read ukulele standing up. And when I direct, this one is too short, whereas this one will go high enough for me to be able to stand and play or direct and play. So that was what I had. What do I have now? Well, brand new to me is this. Comes in a bag. It's under $27 on Amazon, and you'll find it linked below. But this is a stand, and it seems to be made out of aluminum, the stand itself, although the hardware seems to be all plastic. And as you go down, it has locking legs. And I think really for me, the first level of locking legs gives you a nice wide base. And then this part on top does come unassembled. And if you want to install it, I'll show you how that works really quick in case you get one of these. It comes separate like this. And what you do is you put on this screw so that the threads are facing out onto the ball. And then this part snaps onto the ball, and then you can tighten it down. Now, I do think that there's a potential for this plastic piece up here to break. I don't see much about that on the Amazon reviews, so it doesn't seem to be like it's a big problem. And then this part here flips up to grab the sides of your iPad or your Android tablet, and then will stretch out with a spring-loaded mechanism to hold it into place. And then, of course, it stores flat, and then it can go quite high. So I am going to extend this a little bit here. I'm not going to extend it all the way. You can hear it landing on the ground here as I'm putting it down. Got to make sure those are locked into place. There we go. And I'm going to extend it up now. So there's those little locking mechanisms, as you can see there. You have to undo them. And then I usually try to extend these things in such a way that it is done from the lowest one first, because I think they're the most stable. And it seems for a height that I would use, this is pretty close to what I would want standing, because I don't want it in front of my face. But this is my Android tablet that I've talked about, the TCL Next Paper 14. I still use my iPad all the time, that's right in front of my face. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this in here. And I leave this rubberized case on that I bought for it all the time. And here it is. It's pretty stable. I'm not worried about wind knocking it over. I mean, a really good gust from the back might do it, but I think that is a great solution versus the air turn. It's not going anywhere there, and you can change the angle to some point up here. There's some angles that you wouldn't use, but for as a conductor, that would be sort of the angle I would generally use. And if I'm a musician, generally I want it mostly up and down. And again, this TCL has the sort of non-reflective surface that only the very most expensive iPads offer. So I'm pretty impressed with what I see here. But there's one other thing to talk about. Let me get this out of the way first. The main thing here really is cost and weight. That one, I'm pointing down because that's where it's at right now, that one was just about under $28 shipped with taxes. This thing is $89 not counting taxes. I'm not sure if shipping's included with that, but then it's weight. This thing together is approaching 4 pounds, where the other one is approaching 2 pounds. And for something that's sitting on the ground, that's not a big deal. But when you have to carry it to a performance or carry it with everything else you got to carry, those 2 pounds actually might be kind of important. So this is heavier. I don't think that the Manos mount holds it really any more securely than the other stand. This one might be more stable in the wind, although the legs do not go out as far, but it's potential. But I'm giving this other one a chance at just under $28. And if it does break at some point, I am not really opposed to just replacing it. But there's nothing to say that it's going to break, that ball mount is going to break. But that's the only real weak point that I see in the design of this other stand. Now what's interesting is AirTurn sells a stand very similar to this other one down here. However, they have a power bank attached to it. It's called the Power Stand, and they sell it for $200. I think you could actually go out and buy a power bank and maybe connect it with some Velcro or something to this stand and do the same thing for much less. So I do think that there are some better options out there even for a power stand, although that's a neat idea. But for a similar design, only missing the power bank, the air turns is actually integrated into the neck of the stand, which is kind of nice. But you could put a power bank on here with Velcro or something else and do the same thing. Now, if you're interested in the stand from Amazon, again, the link appears below. It is a referral link at no extra cost to you. You can order one and I'll get a little kickback from that. I do not have any referral link from AirTurn. In the past, I've bought these from AirTurn when they have clearance sales, so like scratch and dents, because I don't care if something's scratched and dented, because it's something like this is going to get scratched and dented in my own carrying around of it. So looking forward to this new lighter music stand and seeing how it works. All right, thanks so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.